Student, fourth sum. So that the following equation of represent a circle. Represent is a circle and find its center and radius. Okay, so that the following equations of represent a circle and find its center and radius. Substitution 1. Then modulus of z minus 2 minus I equal to 3. The representation of circle on condition modulus of z minus z not equal to r. That is z not equal to center. And r equal to radius. That's all. R equal to radius is that not. Then you change to the given question, you change the format. Modulus of z minus then minus 2 minus I, minus common of 2 positive I positive equal to 3. Minus common எடுக்கும்போது 2 plus I no. Okay, 2 plus I. Then z minus z naught. That z naught equal to 2 plus I. Okay, center equal to the real part 2, imaginary part 1. I means 1. That is center. Radius equal to 3. Radius r equal to the right hand side r 3. Right hand side value 3. Radius equal to 3. That's all. Okay, represent the circle. Then format symbol diagram. That part, that one real, that one imaginary. X is a real, y is a imaginary. Then 2 comma 3. Example 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then 2 comma 1 is a center. 2 comma 1 is 2 1. Okay, that is a center. 2 comma 1 center, that is center. You draw the one circle approximate. Okay, one circle, that point is center point. You draw the one line, that is radius 3. Okay, that's the representation of a circle. That's all. Okay, second subdivision. Modulus of 2z plus 2 minus 4i equal to 2. Second subdivision. Modulus of 2z plus 2 minus 4i equal to 2. You change first one, you take 2. Okay, first you common 2. The 2 common, 2 is a common, z plus 2 is a common 1 minus 2y equal to 2. Okay, anyone is a common to third term, 3 term, if both term is a take. Okay, outside. Modulus of z minus of plus modulus of z minus is a common, then format is modulus of z minus z not equal to r. Modulus of z minus, you change the minus, you take minus, then positive 1 is changed to minus 1, the minus value change to plus value equal to 2 by 2. Listen student, once again, the 2 is a common, 2 z plus 1 minus 2y equal to, the next step 2 multiple to right hand side divide 2 by 2, then inside of the format change to z minus z naught, then center point, that value second term minus, you take minus, the positive 1 is changed to minus value, then minus value change to positive value. Okay, next then 2 cancel. Modulus of z minus of minus 1 plus 2i equal to 1. Okay, then z not equal to minus 1 plus 2y. Minus 1 plus 2y is a z not. Then center minus 1 comma 2. center value minus 2 comma 1, radius value 1, radius value 1. Okay, then represent circle the same real imaginary, that minus 1 comma 2, minus 1, that is minus 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2, the 1 2 3, minus 1 comma 2 is the center, minus 1 comma minus that part, minus 1 comma 2. Okay, approximate, you draw the one circle, that center point you join the value radius 1. Okay, the diagram real real imaginary 1 2, minus 1 minus 2 1 2, then minus 1 2, approximate minus 1 2 is a center, you center approximate, draw the or approximate one circle. Okay, that point you join the one value, that is radius 1, that is a representation of circle. Second subdivision. Okay, third subdivision, the last one, fourth Roman, third subdivision. Modulus of 3 is that minus 6 plus 12i equal to 8. Modulus of 3 is that minus 6 plus 12i equal to 8. You take the 3 terms, both common term 3. 3 is that minus 6 to 3 2s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12, 4i equal to 8. Okay, the multiple 3 right hand side divide 8 by 3. Okay, you change the z, modulus of z minus z not equal to r. That format you change, you take minus z minus of minus 2 is changed to positive, plus 4 is changed to negative. Okay, then modulus of z minus 2 minus 4i equal to 8 by 3. Okay, that is z not equal to 2 minus 4i, then center equal to 2 comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 4, then radius 8 by 3, radius is 8 by 3, represent the circle. Okay, then real part, imaginary part, 1 2 3, minus 1 2 3, 1 2 3, that is 2 comma 4, 1 2 3. Okay, the 2 comma 4, approximate 2 comma minus 4. Okay, you join, you draw the one circle. Okay, approximate you draw the one circle, that join the any one part, that is center 2 comma minus 4, the radius 8 by 3, radius 8 by 3, that is representation of circle. That's all. Okay, fourth Roman. Next one, the fifth Roman is a homework. Okay, dear, okay students, fifth Roman is a homework. That's that Roman is a continue third Roman method. Okay, third Roman method, the question, obtain the Cartesian equation of the locus of z equal to x plus iy, z equal to x plus iy in each of the following cases. The first one, first division, z minus modulus of z minus 4 equal to 16. Second subdivision, modulus of z minus 4 the whole square minus modulus of z minus 1 the whole square equal to 16. Okay, that is homework sum. Any doubt, clarify it. Okay, thank you.